famous brand in 1 minute. Today, we're going to learn about 3M. In 1902, 5 entrepreneurs in Minnesota founded the Minnesota Mining and Manufacturing Company, now known today as 3M. At first, they planned to mine corundum to make sandpaper, but soon discovered the ore was actually a northicite, completely useless for abrasives. Instead of giving up, they pivoted. 3M brought in new investors, started importing quality minerals, and shifted focus from mining to manufacturing. In 1914, 3M launched its very first exclusive product, a premium sandpaper cloth called 3Mite. Then, in 1921, 3M introduced the world's first waterproof sandpaper, called Wet or Dry. It allowed car manufacturers to sand with water, reducing dust, preventing damage to paint, and creating a cleaner, safer workplace. A few years later, in 1925, they created masking tape to help painters make cleaner lines on cars. That innovation gave birth to the Scotch brand, which is one of 3M's most iconic names. From there, innovation became 3M's identity. They went on to invent transparent tape, post-it notes, and tape for sound recording in the entertainment industry. In 1958, 3M launched Scotch-Brite cleaning pads, which are tough enough to scrub and gentle enough to avoid scratching, making them a household essential in kitchens and bathrooms. To keep innovation alive, 3M invests about 6% of its revenue into R&D every year and encourages creativity with its famous 15% rule, letting employees spend part of their time exploring passion projects. This freedom led to some 3M's biggest breakthroughs, including the Post-it note itself. By the 1960s, 3M had expanded far beyond sandpapers and tapes, moving into healthcare, electronics, energy, and consumer goods, growing into a truly global company. But 3M's journey wasn't all smooth. In 1999, environmental issues related to PFAS chemicals led to serious lawsuits and reputation challenges. In 2023, the company reached a $10.3 billion settlement with multiple governments. Even so, 3M continues to innovate and operate in over 70 countries. The company has produced more than 60,000 products and holds over 100,000 patents, adding about 3,000 new patents annually. If you walk into any store like Office Depot or other local hardware shop, you will likely see 3M's products on the shelves. That's the story of 3M, from a failed mining venture to a global powerhouse of innovation.